as many of you might know, I'm trying to find hot rods. I want to do a hot rod tournament. Someone on Hot Car Track channel said, "Hey mate, why don't you do a hot rod tournament?" It was like, yeah man, I reckon that'd be cool. So I've been trying to find hot rods, and I found the is it the mod rod? I went, wow, there's got to be more than this out there. There is, but a lot of them are just that sort of, I don't know what to call it, junky rubbish Hot Wheels stuff. Anyway, I sort of cheated a bit and went on eBay, and lo and behold, I found a couple of cars, and I got them for a really good price, right? And I'm wrapped, so let's have a look. I've got 4 of them. Let's check them out. The first one is, what's the name of this? The 33 Ford Roadster. Look at that. That's the card. Look at that one. He's got a bit of weight in it too. The Hot Rod 33 Ford Roadster. Beautiful. I've never seen these in Australia. And by the way, I did get this off eBay in Australia. Let's turn it around. I don't know how old this is. I should be wearing my glasses so I can give you some more information. So there's the first one. The 33 Ford Roadster. Can't wait to race that. Let's put that there. Oh, let me just put it there. The next one is a Hot Rod. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Phaeton. Phaeton? Anyway. Is that how you pronounce it? If I'm wrong, I do apologise. What a good looking hot rod that is. Wow. It's got a fair bit of weight in it too. Die-cast metal and plastic parts, it says up there, of course. Wow, and there's obviously 4 in this particular set. Yeah, this is number 5 out of the 4. Oh, 2000, this is 2000 series, there you go. So wow, 19 years old. Unbelievable, look at that. So yeah, I want to start up a hot rod tournament. And obviously I need 8 cars to have a decent crack at the first tournament. So there's that one. Is it going to stay there? Let's have a look at this other one. This is called Track TM, I think. Pretty cool. That's still got a bit of weight, even though he's a lot smaller. And that's number. Oh, hang on. Actually, I don't know what that means. I thought that was the number of the car, number 6. But it's telling me this is 2 of the 4 cars, so I'm confused with that. But yeah, look at that. It's pretty groovy. Little driver in there. And they are plastic wheels, of course, because rubber doesn't work on the track. So that's pretty good. Let's look at the final one. Let me just stick that there somewhere. And here we go with the final car in today's unboxing. Oh, look at this guy, the tail dragger. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Gee, he sits low. I hope he races on Mount Western Raceway. There might just be enough clearance. If not, I'm going to have to, I don't know. Wonder if we can do a lift on this. But there you go. Look at this guy. Tail dragger. Awesome. As I say, I got it off eBay. I don't like buying off eBay because it's generally a rip-off, and also the costs with postage, it's like another $10 already on, stuff you purchased. So it just gets out of control. But I did get these very cheap, and I was prepared to pay for this so I can, start the sort of hot rod whole thing. So that brings my hot rod. Hot rod collection to. I've got 4 of them here. Sorry about the lighting. I've got 4 of them here, and I've also got the mod rod. Is that what it's called? I don't know where it is. Might be out with Mount Western Raceway. So there's 5. I've got to source 3 more. The There's a few more on eBay. I might just go back and see if I can negotiate a price with the guy, because I don't really want to. I'm just going to go up to here. I don't really want to buy these ones because they don't kind of fit unless I bought 8 of these and sort of race those. But I don't really like these things. I don't know. Not a huge fan of all this sort of stuff. You know, I like my cars to sort of look real, even though they are, you know, die-cast cars. But so there you go. Pretty soon we're going to start a hot rod tournament, and I can't wait. I just need 3 more cars and away we go. Thanks guys, catch you later.